What you're looking at here is the drainage system of the house, the whole house. So you can see how it's very efficient in taking out the water, so there's no water area that stagnates. See how it's flowing so fast. Then it goes down to this and straight on to those pipes there that you can see up above and out of the house, but down on the ground as well, because when it's out of the house it's connected to a pipe straight into the connection on the back that's going underground down to the river. So this is the latest update. Because it's been raining all the time, like I said yesterday, I have them working inside now. We'll be finishing every room as it goes. So this is the first bedroom downstairs. So we're checking all the light connection, cleaning all the lights, check all the bulbs if it's working or not. Change it, like this one. We detach it from the wall, so it gives it a fresh coat of paint, and check everything before we put it back in. The bulbs, clean up the decorative part on it, and the connections. Here, we'll be putting the curtains after, and then install what is needed light-wise here. And we'll be cleaning up the whole floors from any drippings. The door, the sliding door will be all cleaned up, the screen, the glass, the frame. And here you can see the weather is not favorable, it's raining. So what you're looking at is the wall here that separates the main house to the guest house. But what I'm trying to show you, that this is all poured concrete. These are not hollow blocks. Look, you can see it there. These are all poured concrete. All the rebars that's doing the matting behind this poured concrete. And this one. And this whole divider of the guest house. This is all poured concrete. I'll have this all scrub out when it's not raining and painted white, so it's all clean. But what I'm trying to emphasize, that the walls, the footings of this house are poured concrete right up there. Because we are on the side of the hill. It needs to be very strong. So I'm looking at here the doors of the bottom part of the house. This is the bedroom one, as I call it. I'm checking if the door needs varnishing, but I don't think it is. Do you think it is? But it still looks so good and shiny. I believe it only needs polish, wooden polish. And the same thing with the other doors. Here, it still looks good, although it's not so shine up. But I don't think the doors needs repainting. They are very shiny as it is now. So a good polish will finish it off. I have some wooden polish because I got a lot of wooden furnitures. So I got some. You can see that the doors I had on these rooms are made of solid doors. They're not hollow in the middle. Solid mahogany doors. All of them. But they are not decorated with carvings. They're just the plain designs. I just call it plain designs because in my main house I got a lot of carved ones with designs. So this is just the simple designs. What I'm trying to show you underneath the stairs, the walls here that you can see under the stairs, these are all poured concrete. I like concrete myself, so you can see it's all there. Make sure that the house is really solid, like this wall that going up the stairs. Behind these walls is earth, but this wall that I made in poured concrete is all waterproof, and it's very close matted rebars and Class A mix of the concrete. So this side of the wall of the house that's stopping the earth, and also you can see it through under the stairs, is all made of poured concrete. There. That's the bathroom, and that's the door of the first bedroom and the second bedroom. This one here, the third door that you can see downstairs, is actually I made it into a storeroom. You can see in here, we haven't finished plastering up there. This is just all plaster. This is not yet plaster or gypsum putty, but this is not yet painted. I'll just have it finished plastered, and then I'll change the bulb on this before I have it painted all in white. If you see the size of this, when it was originally drawn by the architect, this is the intended bathroom. Just a small shower cubicle, and then a toilet and basin, but like you see in most townhouses. But I was not very happy about this. That's why I made it into a storeroom, and I used this third bedroom here into this full-size bathroom that you can see that you can even put a settee. This is supposed to be the third bedroom, but I made it into a full-size bathroom. There's the shower, toilet, wash and basin, and you can just move freely instead of this tiny cubicle that they intend to draw. So now this is the storeroom for the guest house here, and that's the fourth door rather of the rooms here in the bed, but downstairs, I mean in the bottom part of the guest house. So it only need plastering. Since we only need a few here, I might just buy a small pot of plaster, like a 4-liter one, and then paint it all in, bleach the floors, and just put those drawers and cabinets for the storage of the clothes. And there, that's what we're doing right now. Apila. Astang likod niya, Ji. Ang iyaging kuan dong, kanang frame niya nga puti. I was just instructing him about kana apili sa nagtrapo. Oh. So, I want to show you that the tank's already gone off, and we've scrubbed everything here, ready for waterproofing. And then I'll tile this area where the tank is, and that's where the tank is. And you can see that the tank, like I said, is well scrubbed inside. That's the first stage. And then we'll have it disinfected and then wash it off with water again. Then it's ready to be assembled back in once I tile the area where it used to be, where it's supposed to be there. So we're getting there. We've done a lot today. Just as for my 3 lads and me doing the orders.